I lost the drone. That's the whole story. I lost my drone here in the city, in the town of Borgiallo. I lost it in the quietest town in Italy, Borgiallo. And I lost my drone on Eid Day. Tell me what you need. 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 Tell me. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Adventures with Razy. Yeah, I am in Borgiallo right now. Yeah, today it's kind of a sad day, I would call it, but not actually sad. Yeah. So what happened is like uh I wanted to have a beautiful view of this town. Yeah, this town looked really beautiful. So I flew my drone, and unfortunately, it lost signal. I couldn't. It lost the GPS signal. So what happened is like I couldn't find the location of my drone. Yeah, I've been using this drone for a while now. Yeah, it's coming to I think a year now. Yeah, and one thing I love about this drone is each time I use this drone, even if the battery is finished, like it will just automatically like fly over, fly back to to the main area where it was where it took off. So what happened is like this time around, I don't know, it went with a high speed. Yeah, because it's been a while since I used the drone. Like the last time I used it was October. Yeah, and since ever since then I never use it. So today I just arrived in this town, and then because it has a very nice view, I actually wanted to share that beautiful view with you, but it turned out to something terrible, you know. Yeah, I couldn't find my drone, you know. Couldn't find my drone. Yeah, I tried to check the location also, but it couldn't show me the location. I couldn't see the location. If I could have seen the location, I would have find it out within this area, but I couldn't find the location. And Mamma mia, yeah, it's not easy. Yeah, it's such a crazy feeling. Yeah, and I actually like have a whole lot of things in mind because I wanted to create an amazing video here. That's what I really wanted. Yeah, I really wanted to create an amazing video here because this town look really amazing. You can see mountains like all over mountains. Yeah, beautiful trees. The environment looks really green. So I already have it in mind that uh, I don't even know what to say. I'm getting out of words, but just to be honest, yeah, this is not an easy feeling, yeah. It's not really an easy feeling, yeah. Yeah, I'm actually not feeling very much okay today, but I'm not actually feeling very much okay. Yeah, this is a sad moment for me. Uh, So guys, that wouldn't stop me from exploring this town. I would be going around and sharing with you a whole lot of beautiful stuffs here, a whole lot of beautiful things. You know, yeah, that wouldn't really stop me from exploring this town, even though oh, I don't know if you ever feel this way, but I just want to let you know that such kind of situations could really make someone feel really bad, you know. Yeah, exactly what. Right. I'm getting out of words. Yeah, yeah, because this drone means a lot to me. I really like the drone, to be honest. Yeah, I really like this drone. It's really fantastic. You know, it has been really helping me a lot. If I said helping me, it means like not helping me financially or no. I mean like it gives me like uh, a whole lot of happiness. Like yeah, because I love evening sky viewing, so I use the drone so often to fly it over to view sky in the evening. Yeah, uh, I used to do that in the summertime. Yeah, I actually do that in the summertime. I fly it over in the evening to look at the blue skies and different colors and yeah. But now that's over. Yeah, maybe someday I will buy another one, but I'm not really thinking of it right now. Now that I lost this one, I'm not really thinking of it. Yeah, maybe someday. But just to let you know that it's not really easy. Yeah, it's not really easy. Yeah, it's such a bad moment for me today. Yeah, and today is it's Eid Mubarak for we the Muslims. Yeah, it should be a happy day. But that wouldn't stop me from being happy anyway. So I will go out there, have a beautiful moment with my friends. We're gonna eat, we're gonna drink, we're gonna do a lot of things, and then I would continue on my adventure. Yeah, that wouldn't actually stop me from doing what I really need to do. Yeah, just that I'm a little bit disappointed. Yeah, because before coming here, I was like, yeah, I'm really gonna explore this city in ways that I've never done before, because this is not my first time of coming here. I came here like October last year. I was here with my friend, and I knew I would come back here because when I came here in October, it was really amazing. I had a beautiful moment here. Yeah, and I flew the same drone here. If you follow my social media, you would have seen some pictures that I have said that I flew the drone here and then took some pictures. Yeah, which I shared on my Instagram and I think also on my Facebook. Yeah, yeah. So this time around, I was kind of uh, hoping that I would have just made like some awesome videos and show you how this place really looks like. But it didn't work that way. It turned out to be another story. Yeah, but that's not the end. So guys, welcome to my channel. It's Adventures with Erazy. I'll be working on a lot to explore more with or without this drone. Yeah, I would be exploring a lot. The adventure continues. It's all part of the adventure. Thank you.